An analyst known as Crypto Beast just made one of the boldest calls in the XRP space. XRP, he says, is about to explode to a minimum of $8 and possibly much higher. His reason? The market is still ignoring one critical fact. XRP already has regulatory clarity, unlike most other altcoins. According to him, the real XRP breakout hasn't even started yet. And if he's right, XRP holders are about to print money. But is this just another overhyped prediction? Or is there something real behind it? Let's break this down. Back in July 2023, Judge Analisa Torres ruled that XRP is not a security when sold on exchanges. This was a game changer in the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the US SEC. However, the market didn't respond with long-term excitement. XRP spiked briefly to 93 cents from 48 cents, and then dropped again. Fast forward to now, XRP is trading around $2.20, and Crypto Beast argues that the real driver, regulatory clarity, still hasn't been priced in. He believes this legal clarity gives XRP a first-mover advantage over altcoins still stuck in regulatory uncertainty. In his words, most of the market has yet to price in XRP's regulatory clarity fully. Think about that for a second. In a crypto environment filled with SEC lawsuits and unclear rules, XRP already has the green light. That alone, according to this analysis, could justify a massive rally. Crypto Beast isn't relying only on legal arguments. He also points to a bullish technical setup. On his chart, XRP is forming a textbook bull flag, a steep upward move from 40 cents to $3.40, followed by a slow and steady retracement back to around $2. If this pattern plays out, and the flag breaks upward, the projected target using Fibonacci extensions lands between $8 and $10.69. His breakout level? Around $3.37. So, from current levels, there could still be a 4x jump ahead. Let's put that into numbers. Someone holding 1,000 XRP today, worth around $2,200, could see that grow to nearly $10,000 if Crypto Beast projection is accurate. Crypto Beast isn't being shy about his confidence. He states clearly, XRP holders are about to print. That's a strong phrase, and it's not something seasoned analysts say lightly. He also points out that at an $8 price level, XRP's market cap would cross $500 billion. That's the same scale as companies like Oracle, Netflix, or even MasterCard. For a token that already ranks among the top 10, this kind of leap would be monumental. But it raises an important question. Is it realistic? Well, Crypto Beast says yes, because the macro sentiment is shifting, especially with the crypto-friendly shift in SEC leadership after Donald Trump's re-election. Whether you agree with the politics or not, this change has made XRP look like one of the safest bets among altcoins. Interestingly, Crypto Beast isn't just bullish on XRP. He's calling for big moves across the board. Solana, 3x potential. Ethereum, 2x potential. SUI, 5x potential. And some select coins with even 40x upside, though he hasn't publicly named them yet. This shows that his XRP prediction isn't isolated. It's part of a broader belief that altcoins are about to explode in the next wave. Still, he makes it clear that XRP has a unique edge, thanks to its legal status, price structure, and momentum. Let's be honest, crypto is full of bold predictions, and not all of them come true. But what makes this one worth watching is how data-backed and strategically timed it is. We've got legal clarity no one's talking about, a technical formation that historically precedes huge rallies, a market slowly warming up to altcoins again, and a confident analyst putting his name and chart behind his words. Crypto Beast says he'll tell everyone when it's time to exit, but for now, he believes XRP is just getting started. So whether you're an investor or just a curious observer, this might be the time to watch XRP very closely. Will it explode to $8? Time will tell. But one thing is clear, XRP's story isn't over yet.